If you put me in the bag, I swear to God.
Okay. I'm gonna start it.
Let's see how many.
Yippee. 3.
Overloading on stage 1.
What the fuck is happening?
Put a
Yes.
black hole in there.
You put a what?
There's a black hole in there. Okay,
Holy shit, we did it.
this is why we do
Oh
Shrine of the
my
Mountain.
God.
Oh my, thank you.
Everything for Melody.
I'm sorry. Have a good one.
Holy shit. Well, it has a chance to be Imp Overlord. It also has a chance to be Doomstrider.
You not believe in us?
No. Not if it's
I
those
do.
two.
That's blood, I think, that you're thinking of.
We have to make
I'm
more.
surrounded
of
by
it, so your
owies.
body has to work.
I'm starting teleporter.
Yippee.
No.
Oh my
Oh,
God!
Get back up. Get back up.
There's a smoke thing.
Okay, I'm coming.
I can't see it.
What the fuck is happening?
That's the last one we need. Amor, go put it in the thing.
What? What? Huh?
You picked
Put
it up.
here, put it
Go
up.
put it in the thing.
It's in.
Okay, start the tel.
What?
Go down the chute.
Go in the hole?
In the hole.
Wee.
I fell. Not in the hole.
Skill
That's not what
issue.
you're supposed to do.
I keep missing the fucking hole! Hi.
You're looking at me.
There we go.
Amor and I beating up this eyeball thing.
Melee for the win! More hurts. Oh, fucking A. This is the first time she's hurting. Oh my God, I'm dead. Oh, I was doing so well.
Is there any more cooling systems? He is just gonna kill you on repeat over and over again if you respawn.
Hmm.
Because currently he's making the entire room overheat,
Yeah. Burn.
including himself.
Unless you get to
though.
the cooling thing.
Laser.
I'm faster than it. By quite a bit. He will eventually just kill himself. If you're gonna attack him, attack the main body, not the module. There's no point in attacking the module anymore.
Okay.
I'm not attacking him because it's safer to just let him kill himself right now.
True. I'm just doing. I have so much money I can just waste it on drones, so I'm just doing what damage I can.
Melody, if you can respawn as an incinerator drone, that would
I
be
don't have
amazing.
one.
Damn. Because that would turn all of his stacks of fire debuff into ignition tank debuff.
That would be funny.
He's so close, he's about to die.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go! Pokey's the last one standing once again.
Woo!
Alright. There's a couple of things I need to go grab. Hello, vultures. Leave me.
Wait,
Yeah, me
like-
and Steph's drones are flying.
Yeah, we're.
Oh my
yep.
god! You guys have to fight him?
Yep.
Working on it.
That's actually really
or we
funny.
die, I think.
Is this a
That
soft
only
flop?
happens.
This is more promising.
Shove
Oh,
him
hi,
in the
Pokey.
corner
I love
so I
this
can
game.
glitch my bag through the wall and hit him.
Can you throw me through the wall?
Let's try it. No.
Yeah, I'm very much out healing.
Ooh, that was a good one.
We're free!
Yay. Yeah.
Shaped glass! How?
I don't know.
I mean,
No, you didn't. You're alive. You're very clearly
Oh,
not
no,
dead.
but like I fell.
Well, that's not dying.
Hello, chef.
It's dying to me.
He's not dying. It's not
I
even
want.
close.
I mean, to be fair, time is frozen.
Why?
So we're fine.
Okay.
Steph, you're about to die in an area that you should not die in.
I keep falling off of things.
Yeah, it's not. We go through the portal.
Big portal.
Then you can attack the guy in here.
Oh, is it the guy I'm thinking of? Oh, it is!
I love the mob spawner. Gets me every time. That's all I can think of when I see that.
You're not wrong.
That Final Fantasy arena.
Final Fantasy raid mechanics.
We're here.
This is some shit you would see in Endwalker. Maybe even Contra.
This is Dontra, not Underwater.
Sure.
Is that a Final Fantasy reference?
Oh,
Yes.
what else would it be? I should be able to freeze this guy, I think.
That'd be really funny if you could. Oh my god, he's flinging me around. Oh my god.
Yeah, he's funny.
Oh, watch out for the big cum laser.
Yeah. Oh, hi.
Hey,
Oh,
look up
he's-
there.
Yeah.
I got hit.
Oh, watch out for half the arena.
That's way more
Most-
than half.
Yeah, true. Oh, raid mechanic.
I was gonna stay up here actually.
I'm also gonna stay up here. Oh, hey, never mind. Good night.
You didn't stay in the safe up here.
I didn't see the other set of lasers.
I felt.
If you fall
Better
off,
done,
if you
yes.
fall off the platform, it disables all your items for a couple seconds.
I hate that. Oh my god, it does. I hate that. Oh fuck.
I was not lying.
I died. Fuck. I lasted longer than last time though.
That's what they all say.
I did. He's under half health now.
Sorry,
Hi Ash.
all ran long. Hello.
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 Ocean light.
I have unfortunate news. I can't
What?
find my pen.
Have you checked your butthole?
Yeah.
I thought DMs don't even make notes.
That's not what I said. Like, at all. You
Why
read
would
that
you
wrong.
No.
Why would you need a pen then?
Because I need to take notes?
Nuh-uh.
Fuck you mean nah? It's like half of the fucking job. That's why I'm so glad I get. That's why I'm so glad I get. Actually, I would say it's like 80% of the job, but
Ash,
That's
we
why I'm
just beat Alloyed Collective DLC.
congratulations. Where's my
Did you-
fucking pen, Melody? When I get you,
Right. I'm sorry, okay? Ooh.
Is this all we get for beating it?
Now let's assimilate. Oh.
Well, somebody already attacked him, so
once.
Gross.
pretty much the same thing.
Worm!
As a magma
We're
worm.
twins.
Okay, guys, I need you to cancel that out and get everyone here.
But worm!
Too bad.
Okay, start it.
We're so fucked.
It's fine.
Oh, we're
Oh,
so
God.
fucked!
It might not be fine
I'm
yet.
so dead!
We're fine. We're fine.
I got fucking
Hold.
obliterated.
I died.
Yeah, I don't know about this one.
Now we got this.
We're fine. We're fine.
Alice just asked if we're still doing it.
Hey, where are you?
I'm coming up. I didn't know where to go.
You're the only one.
I died. Well, I died.
GG.